Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is my first video of 2019. I was gonna say 2018. That was last year. In today's video, I just want to show you what I usually do, like for work. This is my everyday go-to look. Yes, for some it might be too cakey, but this is what I usually go to. When I go back to work, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do this every single day because I just recently gave birth to my second daughter. So schedules in the morning is going to be a little tough. So I'm going to try my best to keep this look going. For lips, I usually go with something light. I don't want to wear anything too bold for work. So if you want to see me create this look, just keep on watching. For primer, I'm using Origin's Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer. I apply a small amount onto my fingertips, and then I apply that to my face. The foundation I'm going to be using today is by NARS. It's a Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And I usually put a couple of pumps on the back of my hand and use the Beauty Blender to apply it to my skin. The shade that I'm using is called DeVille, which is number 4, but I noticed that this shade is a little lighter, so I also applied Vienna, which is 4.5, and it's just a shade up, just to give myself a little more color.
Now I'm using Laura Mercier's translucent powder on my brows. This is to set my foundation. I just find it easier to apply the Anastasia Dip Brow after I apply the translucent powder. Excuse the noise in the back. I have my newborn and my toddler playing with her tablet. This is real life, guys. This is real life. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to create a detailed eyebrow tutorial. Moving on to concealer, I'm using Huda Beauty's concealer in Coconut Flakes, and I'm applying it with a concealer brush. To set my concealer, I'm using Huda Beauty's setting powder and banana bread. I don't usually bake my setting powder, but I do press the setting powder underneath my eyes, on my eyelids, and on my T-zone. Now it's time for contour. I like to go in with Hoola Bronzer, which is my favorite powder for contouring. To give myself a natural radiant look, I usually use Laura Mercier's translucent powder in Glow, and I am applying it with the brush that is paired with.
I'm feeling a little extra. I like to use MAC's Soft and Gentle highlighter. This highlight, it's so beautiful. This is one of my favorite highlighters of all times, and I'm applying it with a fan brush. For mascara, I'm using Benefit's They're Real. Now to set my makeup, I'm going with Urban Decay's All Nighter. Before applying my lipstick, I like to wipe away, well, some of my concealer and my foundation that's on my lips. And for lipstick today, I'm going with MAC's Cream de Nude. Here is the finished look. This is my go-to look every day for work when I do have time in the morning. I want to thank you all for watching today, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.